آج کی یہ باوقار الوداعی تقریب ہم نے اپنے ان آفیسرز کے اعزاز میں منعقد کی ہے جو محکمہ کسٹمز کو اپنی گراں قدر خدمات اور عمر کا ایک طویل عرصہ وقف کر کے محکمہ کو خیر باد کہنے جا رہے ہیں۔
میں نے تقریباً 38 سال اس محکمے میں سروس کی اور پوری کوشش کی کہ اپنی ایمانداری اور پابندی سے اپنے تمام امور کو بخوبی انجام دوں۔
تقریباً 36 سال کا عرصہ اپنی سروس کا میں نے پاکستان کسٹمز میں گزارا اور یہ سارا کا سارا وقت میرے لیے ناقابل فراموش ہے۔ اس میں بہت سی دھوپ چھائیں بھی آئیں اور لیکن اس میں میرے جو ہائر اتھارٹیز میرے افسرز تھے ان کا ساتھ مجھے رہا اور ان کی رہنمائی کے ساتھ تمام مرحلے طے ہوتے گئے۔
اس کو رخصت تو کیا مجھے معلوم نہ تھا، سارا گھر لے گیا گھر چھوڑ کے جانے والا۔
What is I am today? It's because of my department. I gave my youthfulness, my nights, my days to my department, and in return, the department gave me everything: my personality, my name, my reputation, and my status in the society.
Working as a appraising officer in customs has remained a grateful duty for me. I have tried to strive as hard as possible, though I have failed at many places, at many stages. I have put my seniors downward, but at many other stages I have put their head ahead.
ان کا گھر ہے اور گھر والوں سے ہم سب کوئی جدا نہیں ہوتا، وہ ہمارے ساتھ ہمیشہ رہیں گے۔ جب بھی انہیں ہماری ضرورت پڑی یا ہمیں ان کی ضرورت پڑی ہم ہمیشہ ساتھ ہوں گے۔ ہماری نیک تمنائیں اور دلی دعائیں ان کے لیے ہیں۔
Let me start from saying thanks and my gratitude to our colleagues Ahmed and Mujahid and all of you who have made this function possible. This is a really, really good tradition and it takes a lot of time, energy and effort to organize a function like this. And I am so grateful for their contribution to the department. They were very diligent in their job, they were very proactive. And it's especially talking about Mr. Abdulaziz, it's very difficult to keep your energy level to the last day of your job, because once one thinks that I'm retiring in 10 days, 20 days, 1 month, 2 months, I have not seen that tiredness or that lack of energy in Abdulaziz, for which we need to give him a big hand. I would like to pass on one message to all of you that we all have longer services, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and we should grow up as a disciplined officer or official, irrespective somebody is in whatever grade. So once you are growing up in your service, also grow up as a professional. For example, maintaining self-discipline, you should not be asked by your seniors that discipline criteria 1 should be fulfilled, discipline criteria 2 should be fulfilled, discipline criteria 3 should be fulfilled. We should all be accountable to ourselves. We come to office regularly. We not only the financial integrity which is important, we also maintain the intellectual integrity. So we should be strong enough to say what we feel. We should be strong enough to not to deceive anybody around. We should strong enough to speak the truth. We should strong enough to do our job, whether it takes 5 p.m., whether it takes 7 p.m., whether it takes 8 p.m. And when we retire, we should have something in our hand to show to our family and show to ourselves that this is the great thing that I did. For example, which we were talking about Mr. Abdulaziz, and going to PAX and receiving certificates from the Consul General of the US. Those were kind of remarkable achievement which one can always remember.
I thank our honorable chief guest, worthy collector Sir Syed Fawad Ali Shah, for taking time from his heavy schedule and making this event more glorious with his presence.
कुछ लम्हे गुजरे बरसों में, कुछ बरस लम्हों में बीत गए। वो पहले पहले तो दोस्त बने, फिर सबके दिलों को जीत गए।